Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Boho Cottage ideas on a budget, easy DIY decor for a cozy, collected look. Boho Cottage decor is one of the coziest ways to style your space. This look blends laid-back charm with collected warmth, mixing bohemian textures with the softness and nostalgia of cottage living. It's an inviting aesthetic that feels personal, peaceful, and full of soul. Worn wood, layered textiles, greenery, and handcrafted pieces all play a role in creating that easygoing, lived-in look. Add in thrifted treasures, textured fabrics like macrame and cotton, and soft, neutral tones for a home that feels grounded and cozy. It's a style that celebrates imperfections, creativity, and comfort, all while staying beautifully budget-friendly. In today's video, we're walking through affordable boho cottage decor ideas you can easily bring to life. From DIY wall hangings and second-hand furniture flips to budget layering tricks and styling tips using everyday pieces, you'll find inspiration that works whether you're styling a small space or refreshing a full room. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's explore how to bring this warm and welcoming aesthetic into your home without breaking the bank. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss more cozy, creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these ideas help you see just how easy and affordable it can be to bring boho cottage charm into your home. Whether you're styling a reading nook, layering your bed, or updating your entryway, it's all about choosing pieces that feel warm, soulful, and real. Until next time, keep decorating with comfort, creativity, and that cozy charm that makes your home truly yours.